Okay, so you want to start off with 2 tablespoons of the cream. Put it right in that little dish. And one of the great things about this, it's super easy to do, and when you mix it up, you just mix it with a fork and it comes right together. All right, so then we're gonna put our second one in there. Then you're going to take your dash of salt. Tonight, I think we'll use the Hershey's Special Dark, and we're going to have 2 teaspoons of that. And I'll tell you the other thing that I use from time to time, and that is RX sugar. RX sugar is the special sugar that your body doesn't process like sugar. You don't need to add that. If you want to, you can. It does make it a little bit sweeter. You can just do one of the scoops right in there. Tonight I'm gonna go ahead and add that. And once you get all your ingredients in there, it's just a matter of mixing it up. So you just mix until it gets all in there. Nice. And you keep mixing till all of the little bits are combined into one, and it looks like a really nice dark chocolate. Absolutely delicious. And even if you hadn't put the RX sugar in there, you don't really notice that it's not sweet. It really is sweet. You see how it's darkening up and looking just absolutely gorgeous? Okay, so the mousse's all mixed up now. Now we're gonna use our scale and just kind of find out what we've got for strawberries here. Because while I always set it up in advance for how much we're gonna have, I always measure and make sure that I got the right amount. Okay, so that guy's 17 grams, 28 grams of strawberries. And I like to just cut them up relatively small and then just put them right on top. Okay, that's it. The mousse.